Today we're going to learn how to make a coaster. So the coasters are really fun to do, and it's going to teach you how to work in a circle and make a magic ring. So a lot of fun projects start with a magic ring. You could start a granny square with a magic ring, the coasters, hats, amigurumi projects like the little stuffed animals, those also start with a magic ring. So they're used in a lot of different crochet projects. The magic ring can be a little bit tricky, but we will hopefully perfect that today. The supplies that we need, we're going to need a cotton yarn. You want to make sure that it's 100% cotton, especially if you think you're actually going to use this coaster and possibly put something hot on it or water, like condensation from your cup. The cotton is more durable for heat and for moisture, and it's machine washable too. So make sure that you have a cotton yarn. We're going to also need some scissors, a crochet hook, a stitch marker, and a darning needle to finish off everything at the end. So let's go ahead and get started.